Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and this is episode 2 of our 30 Podcasts for Beginners series. Do you feel like native speakers talk way too fast? Do words sound like one big messy blur to your ears? You think you need to know 10,000 words to understand them? But you're wrong. The secret isn't more words, it's a different way of listening. If you want to unlock your ears and finally understand what people are saying, make sure you've subscribed to this channel. Are you ready to hear the truth about listening? Let's go. Most English students make one big mistake. They try to translate every single word in their head. When a native speaker says a sentence with 10 words, the student gets stuck on word number 3. While you are thinking about word number 3, the speaker is already at word number 10. You feel lost, you panic, and you stop listening. Does that sound like you? Don't worry, it's normal. But today, we're going to change that. Successful listeners don't listen to words, they listen for keywords. Keywords are the skeleton of the sentence. They are usually the nouns and the verbs. If you catch the keywords, you catch the meaning. The second secret is understanding that English is a stressed, timed language. This means native speakers do not say every word with the same power. They eat the small words like to, for, at, and can. For example, they don't say, I can go to the park. They say, I can go to the park. The words go and park are clear and loud. The other words are small and fast. If you are waiting to hear a clear can or a clear to, you will miss the whole sentence. Your job is to ignore the trash words and catch the golden words. Listening is like a puzzle. You don't need all the pieces to see the picture. Imagine you are at an airport. You hear delay, flight 402, gate 15. Do you need to hear every preposition? No. You know exactly what happened. Flight 402 is late and you need to go to gate 15. In this episode, I want you to practice predictive listening. Before you listen, ask yourself, what words do I expect to hear in this situation? If you are at a restaurant, expect to hear menu, order, drink, or bill. Your brain will find what it is looking for. Now let's practice the most powerful listening exercise in the world, shadowing. Shadowing is when you listen to a sound and repeat it immediately, like an echo. This trains your ears to hear the rhythm and your mouth to speak the music of English. I will say a sentence and I want you to repeat it with my rhythm. Don't worry about the spelling, just copy the sound. Sentence 1. I'd like a cup of tea, please. Notice how cup of sounds like cup-a. Listen and repeat. I'd like a cup of tea, please. Sentence 2. What are you doing tonight? Native speakers often say, what you doing tonight? Listen and repeat. What you doing tonight? Sentence 3. I have to go now. It sounds like I gotta go now. Listen and repeat. I gotta go now. Excellent. When you practice shadowing, you are not just learning to speak, you're teaching your brain how native speakers actually sound. Let's apply our new skills. Imagine you are meeting a friend at a busy cafe. It is noisy. You can't hear every word. Your friend says, "Hey, sorry I'm late. The traffic was crazy. Do you want to grab a coffee or should we just head to the cinema?" If you try to translate the traffic was crazy, you might miss the question at the end. Listen for the key words: late, traffic, coffee, cinema. Even if you only hear those 4 words, you understand the situation. You can respond, no problem, let's get coffee first. See? You don't need a dictionary in your head. You need a filter. To improve your listening, you need a listening diet. For the next 24 hours, I want you to listen to English for at least 15 minutes. It can be a song, a movie, or another episode from the Everyday English channel. But here's the rule. Do not look at the subtitles. Just close your eyes and try to catch the key words. Try to find the golden words and ignore the trash words. It will feel difficult at first, but your brain is a muscle. It will get stronger every day. You're doing a great job. Learning to listen is the hardest part of English, but you're already halfway there. Now for your episode 2 homework. I want you to go to your favorite English song, listen to the first 30 seconds, and write down 3 keywords you heard in the comments below. I don't want the whole lyric, just 3 words that jumped out at you. I will check your answers and give you a heart. If this episode helped you feel less stressed about listening, please give it a thumbs up. Share this with one friend who always complains that native speakers talk too fast. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Thank you for spending these 10 minutes with me. Tomorrow in episode 3, we're going to learn the magic verb that can replace 50 other words. You don't want to miss it. Keep practicing, keep listening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.